What's up, Bodega Boys in the building? It's your boy, Desus Nice.
That's right, it's a Kid Mero, man. We out here celebrating a beautiful union of Bronx love, yo.
Yo, shout out to Mona Scott. We are here hosting VH1's Wedding Special.
Yeah, that's right.
Offset loves Party. The wedding fiasco of the century at Cardi B from the BX.
You know what I'm saying?
Married Offset from Georgia. Or somewhere. Yeah.
Georgia,
Take off! And the rest of them niggas.
Mama! You know what I'm saying?
We got an illustrious pastor here hosting the festivities. Give it up for Pastor Prezzuto.
Thank you, everybody. Please hold your applause. Now I've been promoted to District Attorney of Milwaukee County after replacing the black guy in the cowboy hat. I think it was the guy from Hootie and the Blowfish, whatever. That's neither here nor there. I'm here to perform these nuptials and join these two in a Negro union of love and laughter and hopefully very skimpy checks from Viacom. Shout out to Barty. Shout out to Offset. Are you guys ready to exchange routes? Yes, I'm ready, yo. I've been ready. Like, I've been wanting to marry this nigga for the OD longest. I've been putting holes in the condom for like the last 6 months. Hey! Do you, Cardi B, take Offset to be your lawfully wedded trap god to hold and love in sickness and in health, in brokenness and in being Liddyton? Do you take him to be your husband? I do, yo, like OD, like do a smile backwards is OD because I OD do, like for real, like OD, like I love this nigga OD. I love his little hair. Let me touch your hair, Poppy. Come here.
Bitch, I'm a dog. Ooh.
Do you, Offset, take Cardi B to be your lawfully wedded fake buddying and love and hold her forever in your life, mama?
All set. Woo, 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 woo.
I now pronounce you man and mama. You may kiss the bride on the mouth. Shout out to Mona Scott. This check is gonna be lovely, yo. I'm copping a Bentley. Suck my dick from the back. Bodega Boys, episode 89. Woo! Let's see it. Nintendo came out. I'm faking that shit up. Victor's not even gonna check the facts. Suck my dick.
Hey!
Live from Red Bull Studios, New York.
Wow. That's a lot. Let me unhinge my jug. Get ready for this. Y'all ready for this? Coming to the stage. It is episode 87. Bodega Boys in the building. Live from 220 West 18th Street. This is mad chilly. This is shit. Like, yo. Live, coming to you from the Bronx at point guard. It's your boy, Desus Nice, aka Desus Vice, aka Young Chipotle. Pocket say fat like Tyrio, Chris that's Purslane Dick. Eli Lippy, Booches Blue Gully. So man, I might know you, bitch. Young Day Party, Young Hot Take, DJ Fuego, Mr. Nandos Orlando. Mil Never Set the Vete, Cuatro in New York. Mikhail going off the Juve boss. Do you ever regret like making the AKAs this long?
Nah.
You ever just be like, damn, we gotta do this shit? It's just getting longer and longer.
Nah. I mean, like, I feel like I cap mine at a certain point, but like I vary, and a lot of it is singing, so it's like it's still the same amount of time that you're investing in them.
The problem with these intros is it's the same thing as I having sex. It's just like, damn, I got too much dick to give.
Yeah.
Got too much intros to give. Yeah. Mom's like, got her hand on her stomach, like, yo, chill. It hurts. It hurts. It's like, good.
It's like good hurt.
Stop or go. Keep going. Keep going. Because I'm MC Liquor Gunga P pulling up for 40 with Shorty. AKA Don't Talk to Me in the Uber pool.
I don't know you at all.
The original +1 got a +1, so don't make a Hasan. These are Rossi, the Jamaican Jew. Happy Passover or something. Jermaine, today we're going to celebrate the feast of the heating oil. We had some left over from last season. You know, that's a mitzvah. Jermaine Avocado toast. Young Pa. The Ghost of Mufasa. Simba, don't allow them to make a reboot of Lion King without Desus and Mero.
No.
Don't do it.
Don't.
If you do it, don't. At least put Michael Blackson in it.
Murasoka.
Young Chakunari at the Coonery, a.k.a. Chili Lamone, left-handed reliever of the Yankees. Kid, okay.
Papi, estamos en timing en los mi Hasan está DJando.
You see they got rid of Girardi? You know, Girardi had maybe called, for the replay, maybe the Yankees play against the Dodgers, but no, the Astros win. Fuck the Astros.
Get him out of here.
Fuck them. That's a whack car. Vice K. Makuzaka. Phone Jones. These are Makina J. Chuck. Stanley Cups to Human. Dr. Bonner's label. Hey, Leonardo DiCaprio. Mr. 240p because I like my Pinot Blurry.
Damn.
And I watch it with like the one bar on the speaker thing. because I wanted to be silent, but it can't be silent. I gotta hear at least one moan. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Like niggas gotta be nasty. Yeah. Keep it low though. I don't want to wake my mother up. DJ Woolite, AK, you're listening to Wash FM. Up next, we got 5 hours of Drag On, the opposite of H2O.
Got that shit to make your head big.
The Curry Goat, DJ Spicer, Jamal Hashford, the Bronx Celine Dion, Ray Nephew, the Moreno you can't contain, the Human Maybe, or Chaja, Young Aaron, the racist provocateur, Henrik Budcuss, Nelson Bangdell, the Sergio Can't See Me, Vladimir Buffin, the Human Word is melting in your mouth, Mr. Bex on Decadent, you hear it.
Right.
Ricky Tiki Squabby, Greg Popovich, more say with your chestnut, Mahatma Gandhi, not Micah B, but I got that cucumber. That's right, tick on the top, you know what it is. Juice of the press, but the boy Nevis. I am the art, damn it! As I scream as the cops drag me away for, I don't know, running pandas or some shit. The Dundada Ganoush, the more cups of noodles. You know what I'm saying? No more sodium.
No.
I'm eating healthy.
It's high sodium levels.
None of that. I'm getting a poke bowl. I don't even know if I'm pronouncing that shit right. The Prince of Peckham, the Fashion Nova, Casanova, William H. Cent, 5 cent, $10. Forget the small change. This is what I'm running for president of the Caribbean with. To have the rally, I'm like, give me big money wine. I was like, yes, Papa Jesus. The only anthem I salute is Dipset. Mr. Saga, catch me at square one.
Yo,
top left. True risotto. Holy cow. Catch me at the money store. Whoa. Mr. Soft Palm School. All I do is count checks and jerk off. Open the fridge. Whoa. We got OJ, purple stuff, soda. It's me, Sonny D. Yo. Mr. Shopping down the street, easy with a bad breeze. Like I'm easy, please believe me. The black Asiatic will crack your back like an automatic crap mask. Mr. La Marina, Mess Marina, refresh misdemeanor, cold demeanor, aka you're a problematic bae. Maybe women would get street harassed if, you know, they didn't want it. That's a problematic bae scene.
Take problematic line is on early. Let's go.
And you're like, damn. He's stupid as fuck, but the dick is good. Hey!
Sorry, ma.
Shout out to all the women that relate with this. Like, damn, Jesus, why you dragging me? Why you dragging me? I gotta call this nigga at 11 a.m. and tell him to wake up.
God damn. And a shooting guard from Lehman College Dropouts. It's your boy, the Kid Mero, a.k.a. the Human Durag Flap, a.k.a. Donovan McDab, a.k.a. Curve Gotti, a.k.a. Triz Khalifa, a.k.a. Skirt Loader, a.k.a. James St. Fat Dick. I'll ghost on you, shorty.
The dick is fat, pause.
Pause, and I will not leave fingerprints out the window. I know, fuck you, baby, I fucking man.
Respect his agency.
And by Matt Ghost, my nigga. Hey, yo, check the fucking guesses again, you fucking coward. My name definitely on there, nigga. Right there next to Ryan Gosling. Get the fuck out of here. I'll come smack the shit out of you, nigga. Call the promoter now, man. Step to the fucking side while you check, nigga. I'll go 30 for 30 and pop a shot at Dave and Buster's, nigga, to impress my kids, because I'm the motherfucking dad of the year, a.k.a. Bitch Smack with Yumbo, a.k.a. Phil the Ass Tyson. I would explode your cosmos, man. Yeah. A.k.a. Brian L. Messi, MVP of La Mota, a.k.a. Tom Brady. Sure, they got my balls type deflated, but I'm working on my pliability and other fake concepts, so I'll probably win another Super Bowl. Actually, I'm just taking Matt HGH. A.k.a. the Dominican Dada, a.k.a. Bartless Antenna, so smooth, a.k.a. Deacon Yobe Mutombo. That pussy belong to me now. You know, come in this pussy no more. Not even Michael Jordan can come in the paint. You understand me?
No, I can't come back.
No. This pussy, no.
No. Aw.
No.
I like that
you
pussy.
lease the pussy, I finance the pussy. You understand me? A.k.a. Ben Boss and my hands are gifted. I replace your frontal lobe with the Zune. Yes, a Zune.
No, please don't do that. There's
nothing that you can do. There's no.
The user interface is terrible. I can't. I can only have songs on there for 3 days.
It was awful. It wasn't even good, accurate drag and drop. It was awful.
Oh no.
So I mean, I'd be doing you a disservice, but fuck it, because it's light and L touchy. Hello. Is it weed you're looking for? 'Cause I can see it in your eyes that you're broke ass ain't got five, and you came through with some fucking 99-cent hype raps, nigga. Nigga, them shit's a straight cancer, nigga. What the fuck is that? I'm not smoking that shit.
That's all they have at Bodega.
Come on, my nigga. Like, yo, you
well, I didn't have entourage
money.
money.
This is gonna kill us. This is not gonna get us high. This is gonna kill us.
The lady my mother goes to church with was there. I can't really look at the font to leave in front of her. Like she tell somebody.
This will make your lungs look like water balloons.
I mean, my girl smokes it with. They have Moscato flavor.
Wow, you need to leave her. AKA, I'll open your fucking medicine cabinet, please. Please get out your benzos, nigga. You fucking wing. 'Cause it's the Zen Man. It's gonna be AKA Rico Sabroso. AKA Baby Newport. I got 2 for 5. You know what I'm saying? She's from North Carolina, aka Zeniel Bedingfield. Now you gotta get some sticks. Now you gotta get some sticks. Aka Neo Brown to the Carter down. Aka East Tremont Stevie B. I wanna be the one you think is fucking. Catch me performing live in the parking lot Bay Plaza with TKA. Aka pulling up from 50, rocking a top hat. You know who it is, man. Barmelo's Anthony.
For 3.
Swish. Aka from across the pond, mate. I make my tea. I eat my biscuit. It's the plantain supernova in the sky. One day you will find me smoking weed on Tremont, driving a car that I was advised against purchasing in the fucking first place.
Real shit, nigga. Real shit.
If you see me at Target, respect my agency and do not ask me why I got so many Oreos, nigga. They're on sale. Approach me like a fucking earthside mammal. Hasan, tírame la pista, coño, que llegó el hijo de Tito y FIFA. ¿Qué es lo que es, mi gente? Llegó el hijo de Tito y FIFA. Lo voy a decir 2 veces, mamá huevo, para los que están sordos. Más duro que un huevo en su rendezvous. Chapi, ya yo le llegué a tu mareo. Paga el Uber tú, una fucking azarosa. Tú quieres juca, pásame los 20. Si no, te voy a romper los dientes. Episode 87, motherfucker.
Episode 87.
Put the one in the front, porque lo estamos matando la liga. The number one podcast. Suck my dick from cuando?
From the back.
Exactamente.
From the back. I mean, you know what? There's something to be said. Get your dick from the back. It's so disrespectful. It's like, don't even look at me. Just go do the work back there. I'm working on a screenplay up here, ma. Don't worry about what I'm doing up front. Just stay in the back. Yo, as always, shout out 220 West 18th Street. We bring the crystal clear clarity
Yeah, that's right.
to the drop. Red Bull allowing us to make this art for you guys. You know what it is. We're gonna do a whole separate new podcast. It's called the AKAs. And it's just the AKAs.
Yes.
Just for y'all people who like that shit.
Yeah.
And we'll have hidden gems in there and stuff.
Yeah,
We'll tell you like our pin
Easter
number and
eggs.
shit.
Oh,
Like, yo.
shit.
You're like, yo. If you get to the TD Bank in 10 minutes, you can take out $50. Ding, ding, ding.
Pin number 1, 2, 3, 4.
Yo, shout out to AO and Jesse Carney. I just met AO outside while I was smoking, and he was like, yo, my girl, she's gonna be tight that I met you, and he took a picture. So I'm just doing this right now, twist the knife. Because she just tweeted, like, yeah, that's right. You meet me, if you meet me or Mero on the street, buy a lotto ticket. It's the luckiest day in your life, baby. This goes for regular niggas, this goes for even celebrities meet us. They come on the show and they shit blow up. All right? Who have we had in the last week? On our illustrious show, #1 show in late night, nothing but illustrious guests. We talked about eating ass with Gabrielle Union.
Right. We kept it funky.
Kept it funky. We had Wash Fest with Baby Bash and Frankie J. And you know what? Yeah, they're washed, but they still popping, so respect them. Them niggas got multiple houses.
Them niggas got ringtone money.
All right? They still spending money from 88.
You know what I mean?
All right?
Fuck outta here.
Who else was on this week? I don't even remember.
Hey Boogie was on the show.
Not this week. Who? Rosie Perez.
Rosie Perez.
Wow. Rosie Perez. We talked about her titties.
Immediately off rip.
People was like, that's
like, "Yeah, for real?"
patriarchy. It's not patriarchy because her fucking titties is beautiful.
It's beautiful.
She got the dark nipples looking like
art.
big Hershey kisses.
It's art.
Looking like,
Okay.
oh
if you
man.
can't appreciate the human form, what can you appreciate?
Exactly. We're sex positive on here. Shout out to all our LGBTQ people.
You know what I'm
not
saying?
Kevin Spacey.
Nah, get him out of here.
He's wildin'.
He's wildin'.
He's wildin'.
He's wildin', but I knew what was up with him for mad.
Did you see the article where they were talking about he was like 29 or something? He had a 14-year-old boyfriend, and the 14-year-old boyfriend used to top him, and then one day he tried to tried to rape the 14-year-old, and that's where shit went.
No.
Yo, allegedly. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah,
but yeah.
What?
Yeah. And then the boy was also dating his cousin at the time. He had come out like she's messy.
What?
But from what I was reading online, apparently
at what point of Kevin Spacey's career is this? Is he doing like Seven? Is he doing like American Beauty?
He was like 29. Like he hadn't like blown up like that, but still. But this was like this was in New York, like a Manaramek and shit.
Damn.
So yeah, Google that.
What a sick fuck.
Everyone's coming. Oh, this shit's coming out now, niggas.
Hollywood niggas is snitching on each other now. I'm glad all I ever did was fucking run Triz and smoke angel dust.
All right.
You know what I'm saying? Like I don't got a lot to fucking hide.
You know what it is? Hollywood is built on like nefariousness and lies and deception.
It's crazy.
And it's like if I got dirt on you and you got dirt on me, now we can work on shit. Like if I don't got some shit in my back pocket on you, like why am I gonna like push this movie through? Like why I'm gonna do this favor and green light your little script? But now that I know you're in the weird shit, and now you know I'm in the weird shit, and now Now that's the oil.
Let's get shitted on. And that's where the rumors
You just
come
say
from.
it?
Like, yo, the niggas be playing naked basketball.
Basketball, like the shit sounds quirky as
This nigga
shit.
sucked
No,
his own dick. Like, you're like, well,
you hear shit like that, and you like, if that's the shit I'm hearing about, what about the shit I'm not hearing
you know
about?
what I'm saying?
You know what I mean?
So
Niggas is like just
jerk.
jerking off in front of chicks. Like, what's the science on that?
Hiring like 5 joints to jerk off in front of. That's absolutely mind blowing. But I'm like, yo, once you get to millions and millions and millions of dollars, like, it's like, when does regular sex become like, yo, this I can't even rock with this no more.
Yeah,
you know what I'm saying? Like, I don't see myself getting there because
I could definitely see myself getting there.
Yeah,
yeah.
Like, you gotta choke bitches and like throw them off a roof or some wild, disgusting shit like that. Like,
why are we bringing up O2?
Like,
why you mind your business? Why you talking so loud? Why you open up the cold cases?
Yo, some wild hater shit. Like, yo,
nah, when you get into like, you get into wild shit when
like,
you start doing sounding. That's when you know you've lost your fucking mind, and you got shorty putting a wild fucking thin metal rod in your urethra, and she takes the fucking tuning fork, and she's like,
oh god.
you're like,
That does not even sound fun.
You're like, do it again.
Fun.
Give me an E flat.
It's not even sound fun.
They got the pitchfork like, ooh, la 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 lee, la la
No.
Oh shit!
My dick just retreated into my body like a turtle.
Sit to the Mitch McConnell like,
no, I'm not with the shit.
I'm out of here. I'm Audi 5000. Peace to the gods. Is this 5% of Mitch McConnell? My name is Supreme Mitch.
Peace to my old earth. Yo, bless me with the seeds.
Yo, today's mathematics are apple and lettuce.
Cipher divine God mathematics.
Amphibian leg, amphibian head. Oh man,
Niggas gonna cook us adventures off of that. Like, all 5% of niggas. Like,
nigga, let me explain some shit to you. I don't give a fuck about what a Twitter nigga got to say, because we went from being Twitter niggas to being them niggas on Twitter. Okay?
You know what I mean?
Do the math. We've been doing it at the same time as a lot of you niggas. Been on Twitter at the same time. Y'all in 10 years, all y'all did was get 100 extra followers. In 10 years, all we did was be on like 3 channels.
You know what I'm saying?
You know what I'm saying? You know what I mean? Like, listen, don't be mad.
Don't be mad, nigga. I mean, saying, just do grind.
Don't be mad at sometimes when you kiss your kids goodnight at night. Sometimes they be like, good night, Desus. Good night, Mero. My name is Steve. My name is not fucking
Steve,
Mero.
Nigga. You're not fucking Dominican.
How you gonna feel with your kids' first words are number one show in late night, nothing but illustrious guests? You could be tight.
Nigga be like,
suck my dick from the back, ball bags.
Nigga be like, but, oh, he's gonna talk. He's gonna talk. But, ball bags.
Yeah.
We just come out of nowhere, start hitting
Yo. Niggas walking around like they some shooters. I'm like, oh, the first word is, it's on computers. Oh, little Roddy Rebel.
I love it.
Oh, shit. Nah, you gotta talk your shit. Because if you don't talk your shit when you're alive, when you die, everyone's gonna be like, oh, here's a good person, blah, 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 da, da, da. And they're not gonna know the cocky. You know what I'm saying?
They gotta.
You don't say, you know what I'm saying? I'm not trying to be cocky. That's just how New York niggas is.
That's it, bro.
Low key in my mind, I feel like we won the World Series.
Like, yeah.
Like,
fam.
we had a good run.
Our team was not supposed to win 90 games, first of all.
Our series
90 plus
against the Astros was more entertaining than the Astros versus the Dodgers.
Absolutely.
Straight facts.
That's facts.
Straight
That's
fucking
facts.
facts.
That's facts.
I swear on a can of Vienna sausage water and a chopped cheese and a fresh pair of Timbs and Big Pun's corpse.
That's
you know
it.
what I'm saying?
True
Let y'all
facts.
niggas know the BX. Anything that happens in the BX shit is more pop. You know what it is. Throw it the X.
You know what I mean?
I throw it up. Listen, for those of you who are audio visually impaired, I throw up the X with sound.
You know what I'm saying?
Okay, that's me making the X for you.
You know what I mean?
That's not me making beef stroganoff.
Nah. It's not.
Niggas is beating me, and then hamburger helper hand shows up like, yo. You know they call me helper?
Yeah.
I'm like, word?
Whoa.
Word?
Yo, you swallow?
He's like, yo, you got a tablespoon of oil and some water, my nigga? I'm like, yo, what you cooking up over there?
What are you
He's like, I'm about to make it meaty. I'm like, I mean, like, wait, hamburger help. Wait, does hamburger helper have a mouth?
Yes, that's what I'm about to say. She help. I would call it she because I'm.
You call it she?
I'm assistant.
I feel like hamburger helper doesn't have a gender.
Yeah, it's genderless.
It's genderless. His soul is colorless.
It's colorless. Yo, yeah, but Doggy got a mouth and a hand.
He's a hand and
a huge hand.
Damn.
You know what I'm saying?
They give you the handy. They give you the very rare handy blowy.
Yeah, combo.
Wow.
Combo breaker.
You go too deep, this nigga just throw up mad beef stroganoff on you like mad noodles and shit. Dinner's ready.
On the side of the Pinot world. That nigga got the spoon to slap.
That nigga do some nasty shit with the spoon too.
Like, yo, put the shit in his butt.
He like, yeah. He was like, yo, choke me. Choking her hand like, ah. He's like, choke me.
Yeah.
Nigga like, yo, pull my fingers.
He's
You like that? It's so nasty. There's not many other like food mascots you could fuck.
Nah.
It's like what? Like you're not gonna fuck Uncle Ben.
No, you can't fuck Uncle Ben. You can't fuck.
Like if you're like an older white lady, you could have the like Uncle Ben comes through, makes the minute rice and just blows her back out.
Yeah, you can't fuck Aunt Jemima. Aunt Jemima will just curse you out because you think it's whack. Like
Aunt Jemima. I feel like Aunt Jemima. She has like body issues.
Yeah.
But like, if you turn off the lights, like
she's a freak.
That shit feel like that shit feel like pudding.
She's a freak.
That shit feel like syrup. Like yeah.
She's licking syrup up the nipples.
You lift that little gut and get her flapjacks. Ooh, nigga, keep her scarf on.
Yeah, nigga, Miss Butterworth.
Ooh,
yeah.
Miss Butterworth got the yeeks too.
Yeah, under that fucking wild.
Miss Butterworth be acting like she mad proper and shit. You know she nasty.
Yeah, she got the Little Miss House on a Prairie dress and shit.
Oh.
You know, you lift that fucking Kremlin up and there's some yeeks under there.
Look at Miss Butterworth. Look at her. Look at her. I'll fuck that yellow bottle cap off her. Yeah, look at her. Yeah. Look at her. She got the yeeks. She's like, yo, you can't handle this shit. She's like, that's straight. She's like, yo, that ain't this nigga, that ain't fructose syrup, nigga.
Yeah, it's all natural, baby.
Oh.
Yo.
Ooh, okay, all right. Aunt Jemima. Yeah.
You know what I'm saying?
You know Aunt Jemima, all her skin is like one beautiful black complexion and shit.
Like,
she's just sitting there looking like what was that girl in Belly that had like the baby oil just sitting there dark and greased up? Like, ooh. No, Terrell Hicks. Terrell Hicks or whatever her name. Yeah, when she was fighting with DMX. Man. You'd be like, yo, what's up, Jemima? Come through at like 2 a.m. Like, yo, what's up?
She's rubbing syrup on the titties and shit.
She's like, what's up? She's like, yo, you hungry? I'm like, yo, it's 2 a.m. I'm not eating pancakes, mom.
I'm like, you
not even. I'm here to flap them jacks. What's good?
Yo, I'm trying to make some batter out here.
You bend her over. She's like, yo, why you ain't sticking it yet? You're like, hold on.
Just
nigga,
that dick.
Nigga cut just a slab of butter, drop on her back, and just draw that shit on. Like, fucking do the right thing with the ice cube. Like, yeah. Getting butter all on the sheets.
Yeah.
Yeah, nigga.
Fancy scoop.
Yeah. Yo, ma, you a freak? She's like, yeah. Put a little confectioner's sugar on her back. Like, yeah.
Hold that.
Sprinkle
a little cinnamon on your
fucking French toast, bitch. Hey, what's up? This is my international house of pancakes and shit.
Yo, eat your girl's ass with cinnamon sugar.
Put a little boysenberry on her butthole.
You know what I mean?
You know what I mean? Like, make it classy for your anniversary and shit. Text your girl right now. Yo, ma, I want to get my face down that Rudy Tooty Fresh and Fruity. No.
Yo.
Off the rip. Sometimes you gotta scare people in sex. Like, not like on some choking shit, but like come into the bedroom and just be like, yo, hold up. And just keep going back to the kitchen and come back with like mad products. Come back with like a banana, a strawberry, some whipped cream, a shopping bag, some paprika. Maybe a pork, unthawed pork chop.
You know what I'm saying?
Maybe some collard greens. You know what I mean?
Like,
maybe some tripe. Come out there with the wild fucking mackerel in the bottom soaking. You know what I mean? Just keep bringing out food out there. Make her feel like turn that bedroom to a Stop and Shop. Make her be like, yo, all right, enough. Whoa, what's going on here?
You got crab legs on ice over here, my nigga. What the fuck?
Yo, the crabs is trying to get out the pop, my nigga.
They're escaping.
They come with the mad sterno, start lighting shit around the shit, like,
like the whole
that's about her. Yeah. Keep this shit at room temperature. You about to have sex, the fucking food inspector comes with mad thermometers and shit, like, yo, y'all niggas got bacteria growing in the ice tray over here. You know what I'm just saying? Like, I'm gonna have to give y'all guys a write up and shit. Yo, she got an ice scoop in her coochie. Like, that's not how.
sanctioned, my
Listen,
nigga.
y'all getting a B rating.
Come on, son. Niggas ain't getting a B rating. Niggas will gladly go into a B rating. My favorite joint on the Dream, I'm maybe gonna say the name because I don't want to blow it up, had a C rating for like 6 months, and I still went there. I don't give a fuck.
The C rating just means on crib.
Yeah.
That's all.
Hey, let me get the Platinos nigga with the Maduros nigga.
Nigga dancing around like, yeah.
Hey, cuz.
It's just a crib thing,
Hey,
baby.
Hanging on my left side. Yeah, that's the crib side.
Nigga dancing around KFC and shit. Nah. It's not KFC, nigga. CFC, you know how it is. Nigga dancing around with Tyrese and shit. He's just a baby boy. He's just a crazy boy.
What do you want, baby?
I just want to see my KB.
I just want to see my baby. Need some chicken skin.
Damn, that's good.
Popeye's chicken skin is the greatest invention known to mankind.
First of all,
I'll go on the record and say
first
that.
of all,
Popeye's
number
fried
one,
chicken skin.
Popeye's fried chicken skin is full of salt.
Yeah,
It has way too much sodium in it. It is probably one of the worst things in the world for you.
Absolutely, I'm positive.
There is not another thing in the world as delicious as it.
Yo, like it's like you're
There's
poisoning
no
yourself,
reason.
you don't care.
There's certain things you eat, certain things you ingest, and you're like, damn, there's no way I could be. This can't be good for me.
Yeah.
Popeye fried chicken skin, Hennessy,
Come on.
Coca-Cola,
Come on.
and ass. All right, there's certain things you eat. And you just be in it and you be like, nah, this is too good.
This is too good.
This is too good. It's gotta be bad. I'm gonna get hepatitis B from this.
Come on, dog.
Fuck this.
I remember being in junior high and motherfuckers put a chicken bone in a glass of Coke overnight and they came back the next day and it was like rubber.
Yeah.
I was like, wow.
I was like, wow.
I was like, fuck, I took the bone out and drank the Coke.
I was like, yo, we did that. Damn, you know what? New York City schools, they all got the same fucking science shit. It was like, yo, put a tooth in Coca-Cola or make a volcano and shit. But
go to the Bronx Zoo, go to Botanical Gardens.
Yo,
go to Statue of Liberty.
That's a sea lion. Look at the sea lion, my nigga. All right, back on the bus.
Niggas really took us on a class trip to take the Staten Island ferry. To take the Staten Island ferry.
Teachers is just trying to do what they could do. We once went on a school trip.
Shout out to my pedagogicals out there.
And if you're not from New York City, there's the train on the east side. That's the 456 line, and the train on the the train on the west side is the 123. At 42nd Street, there's a shuttle train that connects the two trains. We once went on a trip to the shuttle train.
Oh my god.
Nigga, that's a 5-minute ride. We took the train into the city. I think the teacher, her father had just died and she didn't want to teach no more. You ever walk into the room and the teachers are sitting on a desk and like, nah, we're not doing a lesson plan. I'm gonna tell you about reality.
Board is just blank. She says aim, nothing.
She was like, yo, she's like, don't go to college for what?
Yeah. Do now, nothing.
Nothing. She's like, yo, here, watch Fraggle Rock. I was like, all right, cool. What happens? Who died?
Shout out to the aim and the do now.
Who died?
Damn.
Prince? Oh, shit. Oh, okay. Okay.
Fucking car was about to die.
No. Yo, shout out to New York.
I'm still in the 05 cloth interior. I didn't get the Maserati yet, guys. Relax.
Don't worry. I don't think you're going to get...
You see the Reddit thread?
Niggas think I'm getting a Maserati.
They told you not to get one.
Yeah.
Oh,
It's a Fiat.
Yeah, don't get a Maserati.
Somebody said that. I was like...
Me. For the past like 2 months.
Victor dropping the factuals, letting Mero know a Maserati is not a flex. I'm telling Mero, if he's trying to do the flex, he got to get the custom-made Lotus brought in from Europe.
From Japan?
You know what I'm saying? Yo, imagine that we go to Europe and we drive your brand new car on the Autobahn. Those speed limit, nigga, just mad blazed out our mind, doing like 300 kilometers per hour.
Oh, God. Don't get me excited.
Nigga, we gonna end up on Live Leak for 17 seconds to waste the car, we die, crash into a camel and shit. Things be like, yo, they went out like cheese.
Yo, they went out like cheese.
I'm like, we out here by ourselves from the, watch out! It's like, and then it's like one of those awkward things where my camera is just recorded for 2 minutes afterwards. I just see people's feet walking up to the car like, these niggas is dead.
It's like, man, faint moaning.
You just see my head beheaded like right in front of the camera. I just keep blinking like,
yo, I'm smacked.
I got 30 seconds to do my final words. I'm like, did it drop? Red Bull's like, we can brand this.
We can brand this.
We can brand this.
Awesome.
Yes.
Awesome.
Monetize this. Monetize the fuck out of this.
Put his head in the box and let's do the 7 scene.
There you go. Yeah. It's a special limited edition beheaded Desus. Do.
Yo. Shut them out, dude.
Oh man, shout out to Mountain Dew.
I drank Mountain Dew the other day. I was like, damn, this shit. It's another one of those things. It's like, this shit looks like antifreeze. This shit's can't be good for me, but it's delicious.
Well, I mean, people enjoy Mountain Dew in the mountains. So it's like Hennessy for people in the mountains. You can get Dew Mouth.
For West Virginia.
Is it, if you cooking up
Virginia champagne.
Yeah, if you cooking up meth, you fucking with the Mountain Dew baby. Heavy. Check out the way black people like Hennessy in the clubs and paying for sparklers and shit. White people with opioid addictions, they love some fucking Mountain Dew, my nigga. Woo!
Dog, if you fuck with methamphetamines, Mountain Dew is your shit.
If you were black, you drink Mountain Dew, you gotta watch them. Like, yo, what's going on here? Like, what happened here? Like, where's your family from?
Yo, you know what it is? I was at Burger King at Bay Plaza. Shout out to Bay Plaza Burger King gang.
Don't big up things in the Bronx.
And I got Mountain Dew from the machine.
Oh.
Yeah. And I was like, just to try it. Like, I was like, what is this? Let me try it. And
what are you, a
was
sex offender? Yellow. Like, who you drinking Mountain Dew in public? You hanging with Jared? Like, what the fuck?
I'm almost inspection. I do that thing where I just go down the line and put everything in one cup. Like, Coke, Sprite, Mountain Dew, fruit punch, lemonade.
If I'm like at a store and like they got the self-serve machine and you order Mountain Dew in front of my family, I'm gonna fight you. Don't you do that. Don't you disrespect me at this Papa John's.
Don't disrespect me, my nigga, for real.
All right, I'm here.
Papa
Real ingredients.
Papa John's.
Fuck Papa John.
Yo, get him
Papa
out
John
here.
lost $70 million in valuation yesterday.
Yikes.
First of all,
Sell off.
who
You need to sell that shit.
who is out there with buying stock and like, yo, you know what I need to buy?
Terrible pizza stock.
There we go.
Boom.
Yo, my portfolio. It's
Let's get it.
I got fucking Boko Haram, Papa John's, and
Insane.
Guy Fieri.
Let's go.
Anything that's destroyed. Donkey sauce.
Ooh.
Papa John's.
Guy Fieri's doing numbers for him and shit.
Imagine you on your deathbed, like your parents are like, here, all our Papa John stock. I'm like, nigga,
Man, what the fuck?
you grab a pillow, just smother them like,
Ah, damn.
what you get for your bad investments?
Sell all that shit and buy 2 shares of Apple.
You find out that like because you own Papa John stock, you just get Papa John's to your house every day.
No.
No one wants Papa John's.
I don't
Papa
understand why Papa John's puts high fructose corn syrup on their Caro syrup on their pizza sauce. It tastes bad.
Papa John's is like Wonder Bread, ketchup.
And like
It's just
and
disgusting.
like single cheese, the shit that comes in
Just
plastic.
disgusting. Yeah, they don't even take the plastic off it. They
Yeah,
just
throw
lay it flat. Like, yo,
fuck you,
here you
nigga. Eat
scumbag.
plastic, you piece of shit.
You got to be like Millhouse's father and shit to enjoy Papa John's. You got to be in like a low point in your life. Like, it's not for people in rehab. It's like for people the day before they go through the darkest day. The day before you still out
Like,
your mother's purse and
This is for you
shit.
to throw up, my
Because
nigga.
when Papa John's comes and deliver that shit to you, they look at you like with scorn. Like, yo, niggas don't even put the car in park. Niggas just pull up, let the car coast a little. Like, yo,
Like, you're here.
who the fuck ordered Papa John's?
Yo, niggas throw the shit at you like a ninja star. Like, catch your shit, you fucking dickhead.
Hey, asshole. Hey, you ordered this shit? Here.
Yeah,
Niggas
stupid.
don't even ask for money to throw this shit at
Yeah,
you.
fuck
Here.
outta here,
Garbage.
nigga.
Niggas might call you like a fucking slur.
got
Maybe
my-
something homophobic.
Shit.
Hey, Mama Huevo, here. Here's your pizza.
Here's your fucking pizza. Man. Yo, you got my fucking car stinking, nigga.
Here.
Honda days tomorrow.
Got my shit there like jalapenos. Why they even put jalapenos on Papa John's pizza? We know that shit got nut. They're just like, yo, here's a real ingredient. Here. Guess what? The Yankees score more than 6 runs. Enjoy this.
Like, what? So if I bet the over on the Yankees and I win, I also win Papa John's pizza? That's like taking an L.
That shit don't even make no sense. They'll be like, yo, if the Knicks score more than 5 points, you get free Papa John. I'm like, fam, do you know what the average score for NBA? They're like, we know what it is.
Yeah.
Just order your Papa John's.
Order your
Enjoy
fucking
that
Papa
shit.
John's, take your shit.
I'm not that much of a scumbag that I could feel comfortable using a coupon for Papa John's. That's a low point.
I've never used the
That's
free.
a low point.
I mean, I felt like Papa John's type of shit. Like, I'll be
Excuse me. Excuse me. I have a coupon.
Oh yeah.
I have a coupon.
You got
Papa's 360. I believe that I get free garlic sauce at 2 Crazy Breads.
Yeah.
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 Yeah. How long is that gonna take? Because my kids, they're very hungry.
Okay, just give me 1 second. We go. Yo, Julio, this bum ass nigga's using this 360 coupon, B. This nigga must be fucking pop.
Excuse me, I can hear you, sir.
Oh, I'm sorry.
I can hear you.
I apologize. For that.
I mean, I don't want to guess, but
Yeah.
you don't sound Italian. May I inquire what your nationality is, since you are making my pizza?
I'm Bofa. I'm from the country of Bofa.
I'm not familiar with that.
Both of these nuts, nigga. You want this trash ass pizza or not?
I want to talk to Papa. Put Papa on the phone. Papa, can you hear me?
What's up?
Papa?
What's up?
Papa John, how are you?
How you doing?
First time, MAGA time. I would just like to complain about the young Latino that he has. I don't know if you should trust him with the real ingredients.
Listen, I don't know what the fuck you're talking about. I was just having a threesome with Bellagio. You interrupting that. I'm fucking wasted, dude. Are you talking about pizza or are you talking about Mexicans? Like, what are you talking about, dude?
Papa.
Are you fucking kidding me?
Papa. You gotta imagine Papa John's kids coming. How often they come in his bedroom like, Papa, wake up. He's just like passed out, not breathing and shit.
Like,
They gotta put the fucking machine over his face. Like, oh God, he did it again.
no.
Get the EpiPen.
Get him.
Niggas just stab him in his
Niggas
chest
with
with the
3
fucking
joints.
adrenaline and shit.
Oh god.
So he just OD there and threesome. Chicks to keep going and he just wakes up 2 hours later.
Semi vomits.
Nigga coughs up pepperoni.
That's the other offensive thing about Papa John's. They put that little pepper in there, like, yo, like it's supposed to be fancy. Like, is that a garnish, my nigga? Like,
Oh, niggas is like, yo, we got jalapenos, nigga, on deck.
okay.
Put them in your butt.
thanks. That's how you go ahead, boo.
Oh man,
She's wild out here in these streets.
yeah, but you can't.
Knicks got destroyed by fucking 20 points.
Yeah, Knicks was going on a good little run.
Yeah, but you know,
Did the Heat win yesterday?
everything is finite.
Because I would like to point out, shout out Gabrielle Union. You know what I mean?
You know what I'm saying?
We met her. We're gang, I guess.
And we did talk about eating black.
We did.
Like, yo, y'all got me mad nervous talking about eating black. Blah, 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 blah.
Yeah. But I'm just saying, I would just like to point out that, what are they? Something like 3, they're like 0-3 since she mentioned eating butt. Something like that. They won 2 on the road, but yeah, what's going on?
Niggas stopped getting their buddy because they felt self-conscious.
I mean,
open up your butts.
she's sex positive. We're all sex positive.
Yeah.
She just doesn't want kink shame. It's just the idea of Gabrielle Union, just like
You know, she's a
in your
famous,
butt.
famous.
There's certain people you
actress.
can't. Could you imagine like Ellen
Eating butt.
eating butt? I can see Ellen eating butt.
I can see Ellen eating butt, but like in a very specific scenario,
Yeah.
like in her penthouse.
But there's certain
office.
people like you can't, like it's disrespectful to even like imagine Maxine Waters.
Eating butt?
Eating butt.
Nah, damn, that's too
Yeah.
much. It's like, wow, that's like your titi eating butt.
Yeah,
Like,
she was doing mad reckless too.
Yeah.
Like, bend that butt over.
Yeah.
Maxine Waters is here. You better move those cheeks apart.
Oh, you better move. I have glasses on. So you better spread them cheeks wide.
You better listen. He's doing the Captain Morgan. I'm gonna have my tongue in there. He is disrespectful, dishonorable, and he should not hold office. Move those cheeks.
That's right.
All right, that's all right, Maxine Waters. You're a respectable woman. I should not have done that impression of you eating the cheeks.
Reclaiming my butt.
I am reclaiming these cheeks. Reclaiming these cheeks. I'm reclaiming the yeeks.
Yeah.
Episode 87. Shout out to PS 87.
Yeah.
That's my alma mater. That's where I went for first grade. Shout out to Miss Consoli, my
that's
first grade teacher, which is the most Italian name ever. That school was so overpopulated they put trailers in the schoolyard and niggas couldn't run around anymore because that was like the extra classrooms.
Extra classrooms.
But then they
Wow,
turned
damn,
it
that
into
was
like a soccer field and shit. So now all the Jamaicans and the Mexicans, we all play soccer there on the weekends, and people drive their car directly up against it and use their headlights to keep it illuminated for the midnight soccer games.
that's
So
lit.
it's very dangerous. I would not go there.
I mean, yeah, it sounds dangerous, but it also sounds lit. It sounds like some shit Vice would do a documentary on, like,
Oh yeah,
midnight soccer games.
most things that are dangerous are lit.
Yeah.
Let's keep it funky. Anything, the idea so they could kill you is
Yeah, B.
you love it.
That's why niggas subway surf. That's why motherfuckers like go in the tunnels and do graffiti. That's why motherfuckers, you know what I'm saying? Like, have sex with no condom. Like,
That's
you know
what
I'm
is.
saying?
Everything
Like,
is finite.
everything
is
is
finite. You sometimes you gotta like go on the edge, living on the edge, just to know that you're alive.
No.
But speaking of sex with no condoms, shout out to Tyrese. Like that 13K shit. I was like, woo, nigga.
I'm at $13,000 a month. What more do you want from me?
13K.
You know what
Nigga,
it
you
is?
could buy Barbuda for that.
Yo, they calculate child support based on your last 3 years of income. So like, if they calculated that shit off of him when he was doing Transformers and G.I. Joe and Fast and Furious, I think it was making
Money.
millions.
They really should do.
Millions.
Child support should be based on how attractive your kid is.
If the kid, they don't get that much money because they
If your
can make
kid,
money themselves.
no, if your kid's the wild dub, they get no money.
They get no money.
Like no. Like, yo, your honor, like, look at this kid. This kid is wild, OD, ugly. Like, the judge is like, I rule $100 a month on the grounds your kid is whack. Whose ugly ass baby is this?
Nigga Robert Casino hit them folks like,
Hey.
hey,
We start a law firm and shit. Be like, yo, hi. We're Jacoby and Myers. My name is Desus Nice. This is the kid Mero. That's right. You got the wild dub, baby. Huh? Do you not want to pay for it every month? Come on. If your baby's a dub, should you have to pay full price? Absolutely not. Here's some of our previous clients. Baby A had a lazy eye. Look at this baby B. Big nose. Whoa. Look at baby C. Birthmark on the face. Dub. Get him out of here.
Get him out of here. Baby D. D for dub. Look at the
D for dub.
Terrible.
Listen, at Mero and Desus Esquire, you're not paying child support for no ugly babies. Sorry.
Fuck your way.
Does your baby discolored? Does your baby have weird hair? No.
Does it have a weird little hand?
Look at this baby. This mother was trying to get $25K a month, and then I discovered this baby has 6 fingers. Throw it out. We save clients over $3 million.
This baby has huge balls.
If you got an ugly baby and you know it and you don't want to pay child support, hit up Desus and Mero Esquire. Outstanding facts may not be verified in the past. Previous legal fees and litigations are notwithstanding, and no future indicators of prior performance. Not licensed in New York, New Jersey, Connecticut, or any of the 50 states. We are only licensed to practice law in Uzbekistan. Our only client is Paul Manafort and shit. He's like, yo.
Yeah.
He's like, yo, what's up? Yo, it's Paulie, baby.
Yo, we got court representing that nigga with Steve Tex on and shit. Like, yo.
Yo, so, okay, first of all, DK, what is collusion?
Yo, come on, my nigga.
Okay?
Collusion? Like,
collusion.
That shit sounds
That's why I opened the statement. I'm like, collusion. Use your collusion. Collusion. First of all, that sounds like a delicious drink.
You know what I'm saying?
You know what I'm saying?
If I seen that on the menu, I'd be like, hey, let's try that.
Let's try that. That sounds like
Why
something
not?
that maybe has some bitters in it.
Maybe.
A little Moscato.
A little Angostura.
You know what I mean?
You know
Like,
what I'm saying?
what's so bad about collusion?
Come on.
I believe Donald Trump said maybe we should have a better relationship with Russia. You know what I'm saying?
So-
I use the guy in Street Fighter 2.
That's right.
What's his name? Zangief.
Yeah.
He had a bear hug.
Yeah.
We were just trying. Paul Manafort was just trying to bear hug America. That's it.
You know what I'm saying?
Why does he have 3 passports? Why did Jay-Z have 5 passports in Otis? Why don't we ask big questions like that? He's a drug dealer.
Yeah.
Tom Lorraine said it.
14 years.
Okay?
Yeah.
And what is this? Money laundering. Who doesn't want money to be clean?
Yo.
You launder your bed sheets.
Yeah. Why
He
would you launder money?
Money's dirty. People do coke on it. Sometimes
Yeah.
they put it in strippers' vaginas.
They pass it around.
He has
touch it.
daughters.
You don't know who's touched that money. You definitely want to clean it.
Okay, all this hearsay, he did this, he colluded with the Russians,
he
he
sold
set
the
up a puppet
services.
organization, government in the Ukraine that killed millions. Why are we bringing up old stuff?
man, come on,
Paul
sit down.
Manafort is a
Drop it.
stand-up guy.
It's a great guy.
I say we drop the charges.
Great head of hair.
I watched Judge Judy, and I feel like me and Mero can go up against the CIA court. So, in my closing statements, I'd be like, suck my dick from the back.
That's it.
All right. Thank you, Your Honor, and good night.
Members of the jury, we appreciate your time.
They'd be like, first of all, that is not how you do an opening statement. Why do you have on Nike Steam Text? Like, what? Desus, are those phone pods? I'm like, these are
These are formal.
these are my legal phone posits,
Sir.
These are the these are for the record, I would like to state these are not the retro. These are the original eggplants.
Yeah.
Please, lady with the little typewriter thing. Please note that these are dead stock.
Yeah.
Thanks.
Please don't touch my tag.
I can sit down. I'm like, yo, Paul, don't worry, you got this. Don't worry. He's like, yo, what the fuck was that? You niggas was talking about sneakers. I'm like, yo, relax.
Yo, chill, nigga. Here,
We got a plan.
Here, take 6 Zans.
They're like, they gotta do like a counter argument and shit. We go up against they're like some government prosecutor. He's like, here's an email where it says I'm gonna collude with the Russians. I'm like, oh, you got an email? Okay, time for the counter argument. So you have an email with my client colluding with Russia.
So what, nigga? Anybody can make an email. Like, that's Photoshop. Like, you can Photoshop that. Like, niggas Photoshop DJ Envy getting a dildo in his butt. Like,
Yeah. Can I ask you this? You have an email that shows how many rings the Yankees have?
Huh? Can you get that?
How many? Does anyone in the courtroom know how many rings the Yankees have?
No? Anybody?
Anybody?
In the jury?
Anybody? Yeah, I believe it's 27 rings. 27 rings, bro. Suck my dick from the back. Hey, you guys ever seen Derek Jeter? Whoa, Derek Jeter. Let's watch this highlight right here. Watch. You ever seen when Derek Jeter ran to the stands? He got bloody after he saved. It was a foul ball pop up against Boston. Oh my God!
it.
Everyone's like, what does this have to do with
He
Russia?
sacrificed his body. That's what it has to do with it.
Okay, he sacrificed his body the way Paul Manafort sacrificed his body for America.
That's right.
That's all I got. I just wanted to show the Derek Jeter clip. He's like, I paid you guys $17 million in blood money. I was like, also, yo, Paul, you tried to do a money transfer from Cyprus and PayPal stopped it. So I'm gonna need the money in like cash or some shit
right now, dog. Because my plane to DR leaves in 2 hours. And
Listen,
I'm off this.
If you gotta pay me money and it has to come from a wire transfer in Cyprus, I'm good. I'm working for free.
I'm good.
There's someone in the
I'll do this
IRS
pro
that
bono.
just sits there and just waits for money transfers from Cyprus. Like, there's no legal reason. Unless your name is Cyprus, or you have family in Cyprus, and no one does.
Or you're in Cypress Hill.
I'm at next to Cypress Hill. Insane in the money brain. Insane in the brain. Tucking sand, rubbing sand. Money laundering from Pakistan. Insane in the membrane.
Yo.
Wow, Cyprus. That's
such a sus country. I mean, like, not
we
just
think
a sus country, but it's a sus country to get money from.
Yeah.
Like, what are you doing in Cyprus?
And that just shows you the levels of criminality. Like, we think when we think of criminals, we think about like Joey on the block with the burner,
You know what I'm
the fucking Nike jacket.
I mean,
you know what I'm
10
saying?
G's of cash from the
Got
20s.
some bricks in his butt.
You know what I'm saying?
Nope. Niggas is out here not registering as foreign agents and money laundering through Cyprus, using money transfers to sell it, selling property the 3 times the value to oligarchs, and then buying property and then illegally subletting it through Airbnb.
Yo, it was a rap.
And the thing is, like, he will get less time than the nigga with the gun.
Oh yeah, of course.
Listen,
Well, absolutely.
the system's fucked up because they're like, yo, you can't do the little shit, but if you have enough money to gain entry to the big boy shit, you could wow as a big boy and not really get time.
And you'll be good.
It's
and even if you do get time, you go to the country club prison, nigga. You don't go to fucking Supermax with tax
Yeah,
and
you
shit.
be chilling
nigga,
and
like,
shit.
Fuck out of here.
It's like, why would I, like, at this point, it's like, why even, free the homie, why at this point would you even, like, touch drugs? Because you could do some wild other shit. Like, at this point, we could do.
We could embezzle funds and
nigga,
shit.
we could
Like,
do some sort of, like, car theft ring where niggas are stealing cars, going into the freight containers and shipping them to Nigeria, get caught with that and get, like, a slap on the wrist.
Yep.
Not that we doing that.
Not
that we doing
that's
that.
not in the plans at all.
However, you know what I'm saying?
I mean, let's
if you
fix
guys
it,
want to
let's
see
figure
New
it out.
Jersey Drive too, you know what I'm saying? Let us know. Mero do live in Jersey, so
Yeah, we can
you
make
know
it
what I'm saying?
happen.
We make it. He's a family guy in the daytime, and at night we got the wild car theft ring.
Yeah, nigga. I make 2 lefts in a Patterson meet you at the garage and shit. Like,
Who, listen, Rock. I know you're tired of Tyrese's shit.
come on, man. Fuck with your
Listen,
boys.
a Jamaican and Dominican.
You know
we
what
got
I'm
the
saying?
little witty lines on deck and shit.
Yeah, bro,
Put us in
that's what
Fast
we
and
do.
Furious. We put us in the Fast and Furious. The
Come on.
Fast and Furious, sir.
Chris Martin, I'm looking at you.
Imagine it's like me and Mero, we steal a car, and then we bring it to the shit. It's like we steal the wild Maserati and shit, and we come in at like through like leading a police chase. And we're doing mad spins and shit down like the Parkway.
Some wild shit happens, like the George Washington Bridge is crumbling. We're like, fucking.
We jump it like we bring it to the hideout and shit, and we bring it in, and Rock's like, what the fuck? And we like on the fucking dashboard is like mad Maduros and like fucking curry goat and shit.
What the fuck is this? I smell when you're cooking, you piece of shit.
We was hungry, Rock.
Fucking assholes.
We just had to get a snack. We was hungry after we jumped the bridge.
That jump was fucking lit. I'm gonna give you that.
All right, we got the car. It's in mint condition. It just smells a little funky on the inside. The Fast and the Furious. More Fast and more Furious.
Niggas pull at Mingles and shit like.
They gotta do like some wild fucked up shit. They gotta be like, yo, they got 10 hours to beat the hurricane. We're gonna be driving through fucking the Virgin Islands and shit with the hurricane right behind us and a fucking Ferrari and shit. Watch out for that dog! Oh shit! Niggas grab a fucking bucket of KFC and shit. Like, go!
Go!
We got the suicide doors. We gotta get on the last ferry off the island and shit.
We gotta get on the hood of the car, hook it onto a helicopter.
Like, yo!
Oh shit!
Oh no! Get my mother's rice! Oh no!
Niggas said after we get hooked to the helicopter, we just sit.
Like we about to make it, and I'm like, no, make a U-turn. You're like, no, we're not gonna make a bumper clock U-turn. You U-turn, I just saved one 3-legged dog. He's like, look at my face, like, oh, like I'm sorry, boy, I couldn't let you go.
Yo, they're like, yo, grab a goat while you out there.
I grabbed the goat and the dog. So Oli is like, what about here? I was like, move,
bitch.
Move, your face too big. I just kick her in the chest in slow motion, like,
Fuck out the bitch.
there's like bullet time as I'm kicking her down, like, move, auntie. Go. We have to hit the ramp at 87 miles per hour. Niggas doing the wild Virgin Islands slow traffic, like doing 15 miles per hour. I'm like, honk, honk.
Driving to oncoming traffic for a second. Like,
move your cart.
yeah.
Niggas in the high speed chase with the cops just walk over like, Where you go?
Where you go? Where you do?
Press the gas! I see you. Where you go?
It's a traffic.
There's traffic jam. The whole island jammed up.
Fuck around with you, right?
Where you go?
Fuck out the car, boss.
Yo, cool. Nigga, put it on the car door. I'm like, stop! Gun it!
Nigga smash the car windows and shit. Like,
Keep going. The ghost like, yeah.
go to the backseat with sunglasses on and shit. Like, yo.
He's like, yo. Jump that bridge. More Fast and More Furious coming to theaters 2019.
That's right.
Chris Martin, I'm looking at you.
It's like Dougie Doug is the head of the fucking cartel. I said Dougie Doug, not Dougie Fresh.
Oh shit!
So just getting all black people.
Like bricks.
Damn, freaks.
Bricks.
That's how the movie starts with freaks playing, and like it shows a car. Someone's working on a car, and like I slide from underneath it with no shirt on, like that's some Michael B. Jordan shit with the mad abs. Got mad grease on me, like yo.
What were you working on though? Bricks. I'm on the fix on the bricks. I'm on the bricks. Man, I'm the fix on the bricks.
Now's no time for alliteration, Mero. We got to be in town square by 7 o'clock. Top left.
Top
left.
You're just gonna go in with your overalls half hanging off and shit. Like, yo, we gotta
Everyone's
move.
like, you have to see this movie.
Yo.
These is like women are just watching it from like I'm mad greased up for no reason. My shirt is always ripping on turns and shit.
We're the fucking police station and shit. You got the fucking grease station.
I'm like,
we're trying to get insurance for the garage.
they're saying if we don't raise $1,000, they're gonna shut down the fucking garage. But it's 1,000 West Indian dollars, so the shit is like it might as well be $1 million.
Like, yo. Yeah.
More Fast, More Furious.
More Furious.
Oh,
Wagwan.
what a guan. In theaters, May 2019.
You gotta make that happen. If you don't make that happen, you're an idiot.
There's a wild scene where we got like the two Ferraris jumping over each other and they turn and we dap each other and you're like, gay lo gay. I'm like, oh shit.
Like you see the cars flip over, they both got the flag under the car and shit. It's like, yeah.
Like the cops is right on your tail, you hit a button and like mad hookah smoke comes out the back of your car. They're like, oh! You're driving around, you're like, get slow motion as you pass them, be like, gay way.
I'm like, yo, there's a red button. I'm like, damn, I didn't want to do this, but I have to. I press the shit and then fucking B.O. jumps out the sunroof.
That's your autopilot?
I know fucking baby.
You just driving shit?
I'm at the window with the AK like,
He's like, yo, he's got a baby shooting. That's not a baby.
it's not a fucking baby, it's a fucking man.
It's a fucking man with a fucking AK. Shout out to P.O. He's having the best life. I think he's having a better life than Cardi B.
I mean, for what? Yeah, I mean, like.
Think about it. Cardi B had to show her butthole in years in like dirty brunch clubs. She's had to glow up this year.
Yeah.
B.O. very fast.
Yeah,
He went from having half a kidney to now he owns like a Camry or some shit.
Yeah, he was a Camry.
I saw him yesterday. You know what I'm saying? Out here living.
Cash.
You know what I mean?
Camry cash loaded.
He's living his best life.
Little 20 cent K, nigga.
I want him to get into acting. I want him to like get serious roles because I would love to see him be like the Dominican Sidney Poitier.
Oh man.
Let's say one thing. You know, at the end of Good Will Hunting, when Ben Affleck goes to Matt Damon's house and he's not there anymore.
Yeah.
Yeah, I went to Mama Sushi last night and asked for a hookah.
Pio wasn't at Mama Sushi no more. Pio was at home. You know the glasses that are like half? The little reading glasses and shit? He's at home reading a manuscript and shit. Nigga about to be a fucking remake of Flowers for Algernon.
Nigga like, Still Magnolia. Starting Pio Rovers.
He's like, oh. He's gonna remake Mr. Smith Goes to Washington and shit. He's gonna do the wild filibuster and shit. They're gonna be like, in a dramatic, like he's gonna win some award. Like, they're gonna be like,
Dramatic turn of the century, P.O.
Actor of the Year.
Unbelievable.
P.O. You see Helen Mirren, like, she starts a standing ovation. Yes!
Meryl Streep does the intro. He's like, I am floored by somebody with so little acting ability.
Experience. He has so little, but so much heart.
So much, and it's incredible to see. P.O., please, we love you.
Susan Sarandon's like, I didn't vote for Hillary Clinton because she would have been as bad as Donald Trump. And that was a bad decision. But a good decision is giving this I know fucking baby. She's got mad tears and shit. Everyone's like clapping. All the white people were like, yes.
Yes, beautiful.
He comes up there. They got to put a little apple box.
Nigga wins from P.O.'s list. It's a shit list.
I tried to save everyone I could.
Everyone I could, but I had to suck in the hookah.
He's just saving people on Dykeman. He saves the little girl with the red balloon and shit. Shit's in black and white. It's a mad touching story. He's like, yo.
Yeah.
He's like stopping the train. He's like, no. My from. Take them off train.
Take them off the train.
Take them off the train. It's very dramatic.
You know what I'm saying, my nigga?
There's like a trailer. It's him looking out the window. He's like, I tried to save all you.
But just him delivering dramatic lines.
Yes.
The movie's like,
I just want to know, I was a good man.
Tell me, was I good?
Was I good?
Was I good? Tell me, ¿qué fue?
King Kong ain't gonna cheat on me. ¿Qué es lo que tú dices?
Oh my god. I love it. He's gonna remake Fruitvale Station.
oh my God.
Cops like,
Oh, we need a bus in the rush. I shot a baby. I shot a baby. Oh, fuck. Oh, fuck. Stay in there, guy. Hang in there.
Please.
Hang in there. Don't. Look at me. Look at me.
Do you want a teether?
Don't go to the light. Don't go to the light.
I have children's Tylenol. Can I do that?
I am going to the big hookah in the sky.
Please, let me go.
Stay with me. Don't you die on me.
No, I see the light.
Don't you die on me.
I see the light, the hookah call.
Don't you die on me, you little baby.
No.
Stay with me. I need a bus to the rush to the 1040.
No.
You just see the cop crying like, I need a bus. I made a mistake. Don't die on me, you fucking baby.
I going to the mama sushi.
No.
I'm going to eat mama sushi with his.
So in the back is like, he was a baby. Why'd you shoot that baby?
Oh my God, he shot a baby.
It was a mistake.
He shot a baby.
It was a mistake.
Oh my God.
And Best award for dramatic acting in Fruitvale Station in Dykeman Heights 2. I don't fuck a baby.
Nigga gets clapped trying to hop the train on Dykeman, like trying to run across the tracks.
What's under his shirt? He's got a gun. It turns out to be like the wild 3 feet long hookah. I'm like, you could clearly see the hookah. Like, why would you shoot him?
That was the AK hookah.
Yeah.
You just cut to Victor like,
They're like, who would buy a baby a hookah? Victor just like tears up the fucking receipt like,
nigga says eating it.
It's artisanal.
We do cash transaction.
Using the Cash App. There's no record on that.
Oh shit. Word up.
Oh, Bronx 12 just like
A baby was clapped trying to get on the train with a gold plated AK-47.
Hi, I'm Jessica Cunnington. Where today on Palo Parkway, a baby was clapped to shreds.
Ooh. That's right. That baby was with the shits and caught all the hot ones.
yo, like, listen, man, I was on the train, you know what I'm saying? Like, I was on my way, you know what I'm saying? Like, my girl be sucking my dick OD early in the daytime and shit. So I was over there trying to get that top, you know what I mean? So I was gonna get a backwood. I was on the train, whatever, you know what I'm saying? I was working on some new rhymes for my album. You know, I got an album coming up called The Flow Futuristic, you know what I'm saying?
Shit,
anyway,
fire.
Bang, bang, check this out. So I'm on the 5 train, right? And I see like a baby come through.
Oh,
and I'm
shit.
like, yo,
Word.
that's a baby.
Word, God.
You know, you don't be seeing babies on the train.
Nah, yo.
And then, like, the baby had, like, a gold-plated AK-47. And usually, like, I'm not, you know what I'm saying? I'm no snitch. But like, usually you don't see a baby with a gold AK-47, like a regular one. You know what I'm saying? Like, this is East Tremont. That's how babies move out here. Can't get caught. But,
Wobbles, you know what I'm saying?
you know what I'm saying? He used to have the guns for the cheap. That's my nigga. But I'm saying the baby came through with the gold-plated AK. Boom, bang, there. You feel me, ma? I was trying to wrap the shorty over there. Next thing I know, the cops come through. Boom, bang, 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 boom. Baby is clapped.
Oh shit!
They clapped the baby.
Is he dead?
He not dead, you know what I'm saying? He's like, yo, why you shot me? It's a gold-plated hookah. And I was like, yo, why you shot the baby with the hookah? Then I'm like, yo, if I bring the hookah to my girl's house, then we have hookah. But then I forgot, like, me and my girl, like, my side chick also lives in the building. So I took the hookah to my side chick shit, you know what I'm saying? And who's this interview for again? Bronx 12? Yeah, I already got the news, so that's cool.
I bet.
Yo, check out my new album. It's called DJ Third Eye. Keep your eye open and not your butthole. You know what I mean? That's what's up.
All right,
can I spit some raps?
Okay.
Can I spit some raps?
No.
iPhone X, Malcolm X, Kaepernick on the knee when you eat my ass.
Back to the studio. Back to you, Jessica.
Yo, I got guns.
Damn, that motherfucker was spitting some heat.
Up next, we have the Bronx Library Tour continues. We'll be in Soundview this weekend. Shout out to all the reporters out there reporting.
You know what I'm saying?
That's important things. Somebody was like, you and Mero are like they said we're excellent reporters. And I was like, what show are you watching?
Yo.
I was like, nigga, number one show at late night. Do not trust that shit for your news. Like, watch the actual news. We're not news. What are we? We're like, what are we?
We're reacting to the news.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? We're not like, I mean.
I don't think there's any show like us because we're not trying to tell you the news.
Yeah.
We're just like, yo, this is what happened.
This is what happened. This is what we
This shit is wild. This is how we never like, yo, this is how you should view the news. This is this. This is, we're just like, yo, this is this.
What we think about this shit. Like,
and people was like, your show got the mad liberal slant. It's not. We got the Bronx slant.
Yeah.
Like, nigga, we're minorities in New York. Like, how do you think we're supposed to come out on the side of the GOP? Like, what the fuck?
What do you think this is?
My grandma's wall is not JFK, Obama, and Mike Huckabee. Like, nigga, there's rules and distinctions to this shit.
Let's be real, B. I ain't fucking peanut butter in the black and white jar, nigga. Who the fuck you think I'm voting for?
Ooh, the government peanut butter.
You know what I'm saying?
This shit let you know you're poor.
Yes.
Open the cabinet. That shit said peanut butter,
Peanut
nigga.
butter, nigga.
That's literally what it says.
Yeah.
Peanut butter, nigga.
Nigga. With the fucking black outline of a piece of bread. Like.
And they got the logo is a peanut, but he got his pockets out. Like, I'm pop, baby.
Pop, baby.
I got it.
Yo, nigga got a piece of bread. The piece of bread is like, you wish, nigga. Eat your shit out the fucking can.
The piece of bread is kind of leaning on the gutter, like nigga holding his head. Nigga got like it says like potted meat. And the meat is just like it got like a raccoon, a dog, a cat, and a circle, and it's just like. Whatever.
Nigga, pick one.
Take a chance.
You got like an X on one. Like you're like
at the bottom it's like shake before using. If I'm getting my meat from a can, why I gotta shake the shit before using?
Shake it.
Like, come on, I deserve better than this.
The beef in the can was the worst.
Mm-hmm. Shout out to government cheese though. Yeah. Government cheese is underrated.
It is.
First of all, shout out to all my yard people. Government cheese and a piece of bun. Ooh, nigga, no cheese. Like you microwave it for like a quick 10 seconds. No cheese goes with maybe tin cheese.
Okay.
Which is Jamaicans know about tin cheese. It comes in the big tin. If you are Jamaican and traveling on your own, they're gonna think you're running cocaine through it, and they're gonna bang it on the side of the customs table and fuck up your tin cheese. As everyone knows, that's a real problem.
Don't fuck up your tin cheese.
It's bad salty for no reason.
Okay. It's
like 30 pounds. You bring it from Jamaica. You're like, yo, this was worth it. You give it to someone. You're like, what the fuck, nigga? Where I'm put this big 30 pounds of cheese in my fridge?
You eat 2 slices and it goes bad.
They're like, damn. Yeah. Shout out to all the Jamaican restaurants that sell slices of tin cheese. You get 2 slices and it's like $5. Nigga, it's cheese, nigga.
Nigga, it's cheese.
They're like, it's Jamaican cheese.
It's Jamaican cheese.
It's the best cheese in Jamaica.
You know what I'm saying?
Comes from Usain Bolt's foreskin. Nasty. Yeah. Think about it. There's Usain Bolt in a factory just pumping his shit. Like, yeah.
Man, fast.
Yeah.
That's how you lost the last race. This shit, nigga.
I seen no skin before, but I never seen a skin like this. Real bad man. All right.
Real bad man makes my cheese.
Signal a dick. Yeah. Oh man. Why there's no dance? They should do a dance called the foreskin.
The foreskin?
It's like a woman like chopping it off. Like,
yo, bust it down now. Do the foreskin.
Circumcise. Circumcise.
Hey.
Peel it back. Peel it back. Anteater. Anteater. Wash the skin now. Wash under the skin. Funky skin. Funky skin. Yeah. Who got that cheese? Who got that cheese? Discharge. Just nasty.
Yeah.
Oh shit.
That's absolutely gross.
That's nasty. Nigga just pull the fucking 30-foot ladder out his foreskin. So you can dance hall like that? Yeah. Ooh.
Oh man.
Yo, shout out to Square Cash. Square Cash still out here. Square cashing it up.
Sir.
You know what I'm saying? You know what I mean? That's what we do. That's what we do out here. We're doing things for the community. Shout out to the Be Excellent Academy. We're out here. If you did not get robbed and you live in the Bronx, you can thank us. We probably kept some kid off the street.
Hell yeah.
You know what I'm saying? We keep it.
Jokes your ass.
You know what I'm saying? We teach the kids like, yo, do some art, little nigga. Don't rob niggas. And they're like, yo.
Word, God.
What we don't realize is we're probably touching people's lives in 10 years when we're like probably popped.
Niggas are like, yo, damn.
Yo, you changed my I'm gonna be like, yo. Spare some change, youngin'.
Yeah.
As I'm holding the door at the bodega.
Shit, yo, you Desus nigga?
Yeah. How's hey?
Oh, yo, you did the art program.
Hey, what's up? How's your boy Young Chipotle?
Yo.
Pocket stay fat like Cheerio.
Damn, nigga, you look dusty as fuck.
You know what I'm saying? Yo, ever since Red Bull Studios burned down, you know, shit's not been the same.
Damn, you looking hurt,
Mero
my
put
nigga.
Mero's crack pipe. You know what I'm saying? He burned the shit down. Like shit, but the same. Like I mean, I used to listen to the art. Who?
Is that nigga even alive still?
Oh, Mero?
Yeah.
I don't. That nigga. I think he died in a Maserati accident or some shit. I don't remember.
Damn.
I don't remember. He did a donut from Red Bull Studio and like he killed Hasan. It was like
what the fuck?
I don't remember. Damn. And then Victor was gonna donate a kidney, and then he did the cost benefit analysis. It was like it's not worth it. I was just like, wow, the brand ain't that strong. Damn. Anyway, you think you could spare? I am the art, damn it.
you want money?
Cause I get nah. Like, nigga, my pockets stay fat like Terry. I don't need no money. But I was just wondering, do you think you get me a couple of the Mexican beers?
Did you piss on yourself, money?
Nah, I did that earlier. Rest in peace, Hasan. Also, give me a couple of those bodega candles. I want to keep my niggas memorial lit. All this shit happened yesterday, by the way. I don't know how I lost all my money so fast, but when Victor was out the picture, I was making bad decisions, my nigga. Listen, here's a word of advice. If any strippers off a back page tell you to invest in Bitcoin, don't do it, my nigga. Don't do it. All right? She said she was new in town. I should have knew. She had a 347 number. I lost everything.
She's lying.
Nigga, I bought 2 gold coins. They were double E eaglets. I lost everything.
It's a double E eaglets.
Nigga, my whole life is in a Nike box.
God damn.
I can't get no phone calls or nothing. I'm mad popped the shit. I gotta show up shivering and cold with no sock on. I gotta knock on Vashti's door like. She's like, Desus? I'm like,
what are you doing here?
I lost my way.
What are you talking about?
I lost my way. I'll just break down crying and shit in the hallway and shit. She's like,
Ew.
She's like, hold on, let me put this on IG. Like, nah, don't tag me, nigga.
He just turns to Tyree. He's like, don't
tag me. Don't tag me, nigga. Vassie, I'm just trying to see Charlie. I'm just trying to see my cat. Bob Iger won't let me work.
You can't see him.
My Bob Iger won't let me work.
You can't see him.
I'm supposed to be a Medea Boo.
You can't see
They
him.
won't let me work. I'm just trying to see. I have on the hoodie that says Charlie Rocks.
Charlie Rocks. You can't see him.
Let me see my cat, Bob Iger.
No.
Let me see my cat.
You cannot see him.
Bob
Iger, let me see my cat.
He's like, he's like, I met the who? I don't know them.
I have no idea who that is.
Bob Iger, you know us.
You know who we are.
You know what it is. Bob Iger's working out to this shit. It's like he's pumping it, he's playing this shit, he's doing like mad prison workouts and shit.
Yeah, niggas looking at a fucking hefty bag full of water, like, yeah.
It's like what? It's like lock in.
Nigga, get my chest muscles up.
Nigga doing the wild jumpies, push-ups and shit, like 199. They got the wild brolic back muscles and shit. That shit's a Disney gang.
Him and a nigga in the Mickey Mouse costume just punching each other in the chest,
like,
man.
It's like some nigga got the big Mickey hands. Like, punch that nigga look like a cause. Like He's like Then it's like, you know what?
I eat those pliability, nigga.
It's like looking at the stock. He checks the stock's dropping. He's like, nigga punch a hole in the wall. He's like, you know what? I need the intense workout. They're like, no, Bob, the doctor said no. He's like, I need the intense workout.
Let's do it.
Niggas put on Song of the South. Niggas like, fuck me up like a tar baby.
Oh, no.
Oh, shit. Nigga goes in the vault with all the racist Disney cartoons and shit. Like, yeah.
Niggas working out to the
Nigga like, fuck me up with the bear rabbit shit. They're like, yo. Oh, Desus and Mero want to be in a movie?
Oh,
yeah. Okay, I got something for you. Hey, guys. Hey, Victor.
Hey.
Call Desus and Mero. Let them know. We have a rule for them in the reboot of Dumbo.
Yeah.
They're going to play the racist crows.
Yeah.
Can they do that?
Yeah.
How about that? Do they feel comfortable?
how about that,
I'm like, what's the check looking like?
Yeah.
Wow. I've been done. See, whoa. Look at that.
Oh, Lordy.
Oh, look at that.
Look at
that. Look at that. That goddamn pachyderm don't got no mama.
Oh, my God.
Oh, wow.
Wow, what a surprise.
Look at you, little sad-ass elephant. Look at his big-ass ears. That's why your mama dead.
Oh, shit.
Oh,
nigga.
wow.
God damn, you look sad than a motherfucker, nigga.
So you can fly, and your mama and your daddy gone?
Damn, nigga.
Damn, you fucked up in the game.
Yo, was they dope fiends? They sound like dope fiends.
Why your ears look like that, nigga? You look like them white kids when they get the gouges. They look all wild. They gotta work as a barista. That shit is crazy. You ever see them white kids? They come to NYU and then they end up in the river because they don't know how to party.
They don't know how to party.
Oh Lord.
They used to be straight gauging the ears.
Well, I've been done seeing about everything till I seen the elephant cry. They put out the toast, put it right to Dumbo's head. You want to live, nigga? You want to live, nigga?
You want to live?
Run the pockets.
Everybody will leave. Nobody want dead.
You know what I'm saying? You thought this shit. Oh, you thought we some broke crows, nigga? Fuck that.
Nah, nigga, run
the
shit,
pockets
nigga.
and shit.
Yeah, no.
Oh, I seen that. You getting all that circus money, nigga.
Yeah.
Nigga, crows got out the ski mask and shit. Yo, nigga, give me the wallet.
Nah, you know what we taking, nigga? No, you know what we take? See these niggas fucking ears, nigga.
Take all this shit. Niggas cut off Dumbo. Shit get mad dark. Cut off Dumbo's ears and shit. You're like, yo, nigga, count backwards from 100. And if I know you seen our face, we know where your mother's at.
You know what I'm saying?
Back up slowly and shit.
Throw the ears in the trunk of the fucking
like, yo, fuck that. We coming back every week for the circus money and shit. I'm eating one of the fucking circus peanuts. Like, am I threatening? Like, yeah, nigga. That's right.
Spit the shell on the floor.
Got the cigar. I'm like, yeah, don't forget who did it. It was racist Crow Gang, nigga.
What's up? Throw the fucking shit in the hay bale, start a fire.
Burned out a circus. I was like, in every fucking town you go, I want points. Points. You know what it is.
You motherfuckers got fat while we starved.
You know what I mean?
It's our turn.
You got you got elephant money?
Huh?
Oh, you flying around? Oh, you're flying around like a fucking pachyderm? Huh? Nah, not on my watch. Okay?
Let me tell you something.
Anything that flies, pigeon, seagull, I don't give a fuck if it's an elephant.
Yeah.
You pay us.
Yeah.
Cause you know who the main boss is?
That's right.
J-Lo.
That's right, pal.
J-Lo runs every circus in this town. Don't you ever forget.
Don't you ever
forget.
Let me tell you something. A fucking stork takes flight in the air. We want in.
We want in.
All right?
Circus peanut gets sold. We want in.
We want in.
Okay?
Ball bags. All right? So understand that.
Understand that. This ain't circus town, this J-Lo town, okay? Right. You waiting for tonight? No, you waiting for your fucking money tonight. And if I gotta tell you again, A-Rod's gonna come over here, you don't want that.
You don't want that.
You don't want that.
Let me ask you a question. You like walking, right?
You like walking?
Huh?
Do
Yeah,
1, 2, 3, 4. You got 4 knees, you fucking pachyderm? Huh? I'll break off 4 of them.
Yeah.
You might be able to fly, you're not gonna be able to fucking walk. All right, look at your mother over there. She chained up like a fucking animal, got a bonnet on her head, eating hay. You piece of shit. Don't respect your mother. You thought we were just some racist crows. You don't know anything. We know a lot, all right?
We know a lot, motherfucker.
All right, you see my beak? I keep it sealed. I've seen a lot of things. I've done a lot of things. I don't talk about it, but I swear to God. I swear to God.
I live it, nigga.
I live this shit. All right, I seen elephants like you come and go. You think because you could fly, you're special?
Oh, you think you got big ears, you can fly, nigga? You think you're something special, nigga? Guess what? I seen an elephant in here with a 30-foot dick, nigga.
All right.
You know what I'm saying?
I've been done seeing about everything.
Everything.
I seen an elephant die, nigga.
Yeah. Motherfucker.
Remember those words.
Yeah.
Think that life, think it through. Because the next song I sing might be about you.
You fucking Dumbo.
All right? Niggas is shook. Martin Scorsese presents Dumbo. Shit's in black and white. This is mad graphic.
The B's backwards was amazing. Like, why? I don't know.
Listen. Come back like Dumbo. Remember what I said? Don't fucking snitch. Don't fucking snitch.
You rat on me, I'll cut off your fucking mother's ear.
I swear to God. In theaters, May 2019. Because people are like, I can't take my family to Dumbo. Just rages at the end, just kills everyone in the fucking circus, just stomps at everybody. It's like beating the shit out of clowns and shit. Dumbo had that mad lit that sequence when like the pink elephants.
Oh yeah,
he was drunk as shit,
yeah.
and that was like, damn, is that what being drunk is like? And then I experienced it. I was like, yeah, that's exactly what being drunk is like and shit. Weird. Fucking elephants trying to kill you in your sleep and shit. They had taken like fucking lightning bolts and shaking their ass with it. That was me at Down the Hatch. Like, yo,
I had to take acid for that.
I was like, what? It's $2 Jack and Cokes? Ooh, nigga. And that shit was all Jack, no Coke. Literally, if you start drinking at 4 and you drunk at 5, I knew I had a problem because it was like I remember I was at the table. It was Down the Hatch, down the street from Fat Black Pussy. No, down the street from the Pink Pussycat. Banging them Jack and Cokes, and I was like, yo, I'll be right back. I will run to the bathroom. I woke up in my bed in the Bronx. To this day, I don't know how that's possible. That means not only did I get on the 1 train, I transferred from the 1 to the 2 train to get to my house, and then walked from the train station and got in my house safely. I don't remember none of that shit, but apparently I did it.
That's when you really do it.
That's when you doing it. That's professional shit.
Ahead.
You wake up at 10 o'clock like, oh my God, where am I at? You're like, oh, I'm home? Like, oh, well, tonight's cool.
I remember being wasted on the 6 train at Spring Street, and this dude was sitting across from me, and it was like, yo, this nigga's gonna Earl. Like, it's just a matter of time, but this nigga's gonna Earl. But I was so smacked that I was like, I'm not gonna move, and if he Earls on me, I'm gonna use all the energy in my body to fuck him up. So the train takes off. As soon as the shit starts lurching, this nigga starts Earling crazy. By some grace of God, my nigga, I do not get any Earl on me whatsoever. And that is the last thing I remember. And I had to take the 6 train to fucking Westchester Square and then take the bus from there or walk mad deep to get to the crib. And I was like, yo, how did this happen? Like, I woke up the next day, like, in a completely different outfit, like, with a half-eaten sandwich. I'm like, when did I go to the bodega? Like, what the fuck?
It bees like that. Nothing better than drunk gifts, I call them. Like, stuff you buy when you're drunk, and in the morning you see it, you be like, yo, shit. Shout out Wasted Desus. You wake up in the morning, you got, like, a pack of Sour Patch Kids, like, a fucking chopped cheese, like, sunflower seeds. When you're drunk, you got adventurous in the bodega, start buying shit you would not normally buy. Like, yo, pig ears. Don't mind if I do.
Shit, why not?
You can buy baby formula and shit.
Yo, let me get those patelitos who've been sitting there for 30,000 hours.
You know what? I don't even own a car, but yeah, throw that motor oil in there.
Fuck it.
Why not?
Why not?
I'm gonna use that.
Tube socks too.
Let me get that kitty litter in case I need traction in the winter. And what is this? Estrogen? Sure.
Yeah, why not?
I'm just buying everything. And the guy at the bodega knows, and he'd be like, $19. Yeah. Nigga don't even add the shit up.
Nah, he don't care.
He'd be like, they'd be like, yo, you want salt, pepper, ketchup in your sandwich? You're like, yeah, it's Spanish fly. Yeah. Just hook the shit up.
Yeah, yo.
Throw
Rough Rider.
Matter of fact, just throw a Magnum in there. No, not in the bag. Throw it in the sandwich. Just pull it out. And just throw it in there. I'll chew it out. Put the lettuce in the Magnum.
Yo. I found a rubber band in my calzone once. That shit was gross.
Was it flavorful though?
It kind of grossed me out because I was chewing it like it was mozzarella, and I thought it was just like chewy mozzarella.
Yeah.
And I kind of half swallowed it, and I was like,
She was chewy.
Yeah,
She was chewy like calamari.
Yeah. Disgusting.
I mean, you basically chewed on foreskin. Let's keep it funky.
Yeah. Well, and I feel like rubber. You could.
Watch your words. Watch your words.
I don't know what the consistency of.
This is what's gonna go on. That's good. That's the words on your statue. I don't know what the consistency. I don't know what the consistency of foreskin is. 2017.
I know mine. Like, I don't know. You know what the averages are for the fucking foreskin.
Listen.
For foreskin jewels. I don't know what unit of measurement they use for foreskin.
There's like a Richter scale for foreskins. It's about a 5.9.
Yeah.
I mean,
what the fuck? I mean, I don't know. Ladies, how long is too long? Or, you know what I'm saying? Dudes as well, you know what I'm saying? If you love dicks, like, if you love dick, you love dick.
How come they, you know, the way they have like the ear gauging and you could like stretch out your earlobes? How come they don't have nothing like you could stretch out your foreskin?
Your foreskin?
How come that's not like, chicks would be like, oh, you got a foreskin, that's just disgusting. Like, why can't you stretch it out? Why is it not like significant and attractive? Like, if I got the wild stretch out, like, if my shit looks like a fucking white girl's sleeve, like the hoodie shit when they pull it over the shit, like when they're cold. Like let's make that a thing.
Low key, that's like mad elegant.
Like that's the new wave for 2018. Stretch out your foreskins.
That's definitely
like put the dish in it, like that. The way the African tribe, they put the disc in their lip. Yeah. Niggas got it. Like niggas, like reclaim your foreskin, my niggas. Yeah. There's a lot of foreskin shaming in society.
Nah.
Think about it. There's no part of the body they cut off on. Well, yeah, they are. All right. I was fine. Hey, episode 87. Reclaiming my yeeks. It's been your boy Desus Nice, aka D Device, aka Young Chipotle, aka Pocket Stay Fat Like Cheerio, aka Chris Steps. Pour sling dick for 3. Yeah. Eli Lippy, Butcher's Blue Gully, so bad I might know you, bitch. I might not know you, bitch, but I will know you, bitch. Young J Party, Young Hot Take, DJ Fuego, Mr. Nados with a Rondo. Give me a little more picky sauce. 1994 in Nueva York, Mikhail going off the Juve boss. MC Little Gunga P. I'm flavorful. Pull it up for 40 with your shorty, aka don't talk to me in the Uber pool.
I don't fucking know you, dog.
I'm just here to charge my phone. I don't want to talk to you about your life problems. Don't want to talk about where you're going. I don't want to smell your finger. They're just going different places. The original my +1 got a +1. So don't make a fuss, son. Don't make it hot. You know me, you know the show, you know my face. Well, I gotta tell you my name. Now I gotta tell you my government name, my talent name. I don't know if it's Desus Nice, Jesus Vice. I don't know what you got me under there. Just let me in, baby. Just let me in. Now we both look stupid. DJ Rothstein, the Jamaican Jew. Got the little hairs on deck. You know what it is? On decky thing. You know what it is. Jermaine Avocado Toast. I'm the reason you millennials are going broke. Young Pa, the ghost of Mufasa. Young Chacoonery without the coonery. That means I'm going to get my salted meats without cooling it up. AK Tilly Lamone, left-handed reliever for the Yankees. K-Lo K.
Hey, papi, that was nice the other night on Diamond. Sí, un trío muy venezolana.
Do you remember the time I put a Quaalude in my butt and I threw a perfect game?
Oh, beautiful.
I don't. It didn't happen. Vice K Matsuzaka. 3 Phone Jones. Get the Pixel X2. The Pixel 2 has a front-facing camera that's supposed to be really good. Okay. If you're buying your phone based on front-facing cameras, I guess that's a good thing. Some people want iMessages and want to know when their messages get delivered. I don't know. It's something. Also, Apple, please fix iOS 2. iOS 11 is a piece of shit garbage. Just had to throw that out there.
Okay.
That's my beef. I'm 3 Phone Jones. I'm just letting niggas know.
Yeah.
I'm unhappy with both phones.
All right.
I want to hear Droid people being happy. I want to hear Apple people being happy. I'm West Indian. I'm never happy. Jay Chuckles. Stanley Cups. The Human Dr. Bonner's label. Dilute. That's right. Make it watery like your nut after like 4 stroking times. You know what I'm saying? Like when you stay at home and you just been beating your meat mercilessly and you like, damn, I'm going to masturbate again. Your body's like, please stop. You're like, it's goofy time. Leonardo DiCaprio. It's the 240p because I like my Pinot Blurry. You know what? I've been on X Hamster so much I might hit the recommended tab, and nothing's worse than when X Hamster picks recommended porn for you and they get it right. Cause then you know. You're nasty. DJ Woolite, aka you're listening to Wash FM. Yeah. Up next, we got 5 hours of Stephanie Mill. Love like this before. The Curry Goats. DJ Spicer, Jamal Hashburn, the Bronx, Celine Dion, referee, Larry Nephew's nephew, the Moreno. You cannot contain him. Do not try to put me in a mason jar. You cannot contain me. The Human Meme, word of job. Young Aaron, the racist provocateur. If I see an interracial couple, I will heckle y'all. Henrik Budquist, Nelson Bangdella, Sergio Can't See Me, Vladimir Boofin. That's why I put it right in my butthole. The Human Werther's melting in your mouth. Mr. Bex on Decadent. I didn't even finish my Bex today. I'm getting washed. Ricky Tiki, Squappy. Greg Popovich. Just pull it apart and smell it. It's a little moist. It smells like a roast beef sandwich, but it's still good on your tongue. More say it with your chestnut. Mahatma Gandhi, the not Maccabee, but I got the cucumber. That's right. You're going to feel it in your lungs, ma. The juices are pressed, but your boy never is.
Never.
That's right. It's going to take a fucking 3 pounds of kale to make a juice as good as me. I am the art, damn it. The Dungada Ganoush. No more cup of noodles. Not get my sodium up. The Prince of Peckham before it's gentrified. The Hugh Fashion Nova Casanova. William makes cents. 5 cents, 10 cents, $10. Forget the small change. Give me big money wine. The only anthem I salute is Dipset. Dipset. Ow. Mr. Saga. Catch me at square one top left, and I probably can't pass the checkpoint because I got priors. Trill Rizzuto. Holy cow. Catch me at the money store. Whoa. Mr. Soft Palms, because all I do is count checks and jerk off. Matter of fact, I keep my left hand in a leather glove full of Vaseline to keep it soft for my wife. Damn. It's going to be moist. She's going to be disgusted. Open the fridge. Whoa. We got OJ, purple stuff, soda. Whoa. It's me, Sunny D. Mr. Shopping in Street Easy with a bad breeze like I'm easy. Please believe me. The black AD I had to crack your back like an automatic craftmatic. Mr. Marina, Mesmerina with freshman demeanor, cold demeanor, a.k.a. you're a problematic babe. Yo, leave your dog in the back of the car. He'll be fine.
Yo, just leave the window open.
No, keep him up.
That's right, you motherfucking cowards. This episode, whatever the fuck it is. You know what I'm saying? Bodega Boys, the most illustrious podcast, the most dangerous podcast, the most everything podcast, the most fucking
everything
dynamic, paradigm shifting.
This is the only podcast you can listen to if you're a Hasidic Jew. Did you guys know that? We're the only kosher podcast.
It's the only kosher podcast. If you got 2 sinks in your crib, you know what's popping. You know what I'm saying? It's your boy, the Kid Mero, a.k.a. the Human Durag Flap, a.k.a. Donovan McDab, a.k.a. Krav Gotti, a.k.a. Triz Khalifa! One shot big up mix pack, a.k.a. Skirt Loader, a.k.a. James St. Fatic. I'll ghost on you, shorty. Stay tuned for season 5. My dick is even fatter, a.k.a. I know fucking baby. I fucking man. I open a hookah store. You love me, baby? Give me kiss. A.k.a. check the guest list again, you fucking coward. My name is definitely on there right next to Jonathan Taylor Thomas B. Get the fuck out of here. I'll smack the shit out of you, my nigga. Call the promoter. His name is fucking Miguel. You know what I'm saying? He said I could get a free birthday cake too. So that shit better be in there when I get in there. I'll punch a fucking hole in that claw machine, nigga, and steal a minion toy to impress my kids. Because I'm the fucking dad of the year. A.k.a. Big Smack Me Up, a.k.a. Phil the Ass Tyson, a.k.a. Brian El Messi, MVP La Mota. I'll score 5 goals in you on FIFA, nigga, with my eyes closed. A.k.a. Tom Brady, sure, got my balls type deflated, but I'm eating kale. It has nothing to do with HGH. That's why my longevity is so like incredible, because of like pliability.
Sweet.
It has nothing to do with anything. Okay, guys, chill. Okay, Dominican Dada, catch me at Altina with your tita. AKA Barlow Santana, so smooth. AKA Dick in your baby Matumbo. You not coming this pussy no more. You know why? Because this pussy belong to me now. You not coming here no more. Get the fuck out of here, motherfucker. AKA Ben Boss in my hands are gifted. I'll replace your frontal lobe with the Camry engine. Now you can be a Dominican cab for supplemental income. That's my platform for HUD in the future. You're welcome, you pieces of garbage, you turkeys. Candy, let me see that titty, girl. God damn, that should look like a Hershey kiss.
She got some heavy titties, nigga.
God damn, them shit is heavy.
You suck on them all the time?
All the time, baby. They're like sweet yams.
Oof.
God damn. Sweet yams. God damn. Let me get off my shit. AKA Light Nail Touchy. Hello. Is it weed you're looking for? I can see it in your eyes that you're broke ass and got five. Yeah, we got the remix coming with Ben Boss and Candy M Titties. Stay tuned for that. Nicole, please stay out of rehab. AKA, I'll open your fucking medicine cabinet. Please secure your benzos, you fucking wing. Cause it's the Zen Man. AKA Rico Sabroso. AKA Baby Newport News. Niggas got 2 for 5. I got 2 for 3. Nigga was good. AKA Zaniel Bettingfield. I gotta get some sticks. I gotta get some sticks. AKA Nino Brown. Shut the Carter down. Nigga, I'm at Orchard Beach with a thong on. Was good. Say something, I dare you. AKA the East Street, my Stevie B at Crotona Park live with TKA and doing Maria. But you know who I want to do? Your titi.
What?
Because I want to be the one your titi is fucking. I'm out here dancing with Russ at every opportunity, my nigga, because I don't know what the fuck else to do in this shithole that I'm playing at now, but fuck it. I'm pulling up from 50 all day. You know who it is. It's Barmelo's Anthony.
For 3.
Swish. That's all. Melo's gotten 10 for 40 tonight, and he's doing great. AKA from across the pond, mate. You know what it is, man. It's the plantain supernova in the sky. Someday you will find me smoking weed on Tremont.
Oh, the song.
Sprinkling dust in the backwood with Tim Westwood. So thoughty, baby.
Hey.
If you see me a target, respect my agency, man. Approach me like a fucking Ursa mammal while I try to disintegrate the entire dollar area. You know what I'm saying? Hasan, tírame la pista. ¿Qué fue? Llegaron los Tigers, mamá hueva, saso. Ando con más tabla que un carpintero, loco. El King Mero, yo con la paca y tú con la cuenta en cero. Llegar a la grasa. Llegó el número 1, la guasacaca. Así que, don't inhale the hookah smoke. It's bad for you, papi, okay? Vamos leave.
As always, shout out to all the sponsors. Remember, God's working on all of us. We're all riding on horses.
That's right.
Shout out to the person that deleted Donald Trump's Twitter account for 11 minutes yesterday. You are a hero.
Yeah.
We need more people like you. Even though it's your last day, you was like, fuck it, I'm going out in a blaze of glory. Remember, like I always say, may the bridges you burn light your path.
Oh, beautiful.
It sounds like bad advice, but I said it in an office job, and now I'm on TV. So follow my advice. And if you are able to feed your kids, just be like, fuck you, Jesus. Anyway, we out.
Holla, bitch. Yeah.
We got OJ, purple stuff, soda. Sunny day?
Yeah, go for it.
Tastes like orange and tangerine.
And lime.
Some healthy junk too.